Welcome to today's cooking show, and for you today, we have the Lone Prairie Cooler. All right, first thing you want to do is get yourself a cocktail shaker. Then you want to add, about a shot of rum. Then you want about, a half a shot of blue Caraco. If you don't know, a standard shot, at least in the U.S., is about an ounce and a half of whatever liquor you happen to have. And then you want to squeeze in the juice of about a half a lime. So a half a shot would be about 0.75 ounces. And again, adjust these recipes to your liking. I actually had a few seeds escape the lemon, so give me a second to fish them out. Okay, now pop the top on. Shake the bejesus out of it. Of course, do it off camera. Then you want to grab a martini glass and pour our mixture in. And that's it. That's the Lone Prairie Cooler. Wipe up the little mess. And, it's done.